All righty. So here I go. I'm on one camera. So the main purpose of this one is to discuss the video camera. So one of the things you can do, and the students have this ability as well, is share the video. Now, typically you want to share the video so that it'll make plays for you. Even with the students, just make sure that they dress right if they're at home, but sharing the camera. And if the camera's if it's at a desktop, I mean, that's beautiful, okay? Um, so I would just want to show you guys this. I can actually stop my video. I can start it. And I don't know if you could see that. I don't think you can, but I can stop it. I can start it. And there's something else that I can do. And I'm pretty sure that you guys can't see this, but I can switch cameras. So I have a broadcaster camera on here, and I'll show you guys that. And this is a broadcaster camera, and it's basically showing a 3D printer. Okay, and I can go around the classroom. It's actually a wireless device. I can go from there, and I can choose this IPEVO, and it's on the desktop. And so if I wanted to talk about a phone or something, where are you? Oh, there you go. If I wanted to talk about a phone or something, I can actually do that, or anything that's like right here in place. So if I have, I guess if I wanted to talk about these breath savers or something like that, I could, or a circuit board. So let me grab one of those real quick. So right here, I have myself an Arduino Uno, and I have a USB cable connected to it. That's, well, let's see. Oh, it's right here. Okay. And so basically this is a small circuit. It's to drive a DC motor. And so if I wanted people to see this a little bit more, I guess I could bring it in, or I can, make sure that they can see everything. Now, you can see that this is like upside down, okay? But any two ways you can still see it. So let me pull this like so. You can actually see it in a very nice way, very nice way. Let me take this USB cord out. And so you could actually show the students, what they need to do, what's really happening here. And I think that this is like really, really powerful, okay? And if you wanted to, you can get even deeper into the Arduino if that's what you're using in the classroom, okay? And you can start talking about pins and what's happening there. So it's pretty good focusing there. So you can see all of the pins. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is outstanding. Okay, this is not my camera, so the enthusiasm that you hear is because it's not mine. I don't have ready access to it. So these are some of the things that you can do to bring the student in and to create lessons. All right. So the other thing that I'll do is I'll just go back to my FaceTime camera here. And you could share the screen. So I want you guys to share the screen. And once you share the screen, you'll see an option to select on camera. So I'm going to say share screen. And now I can switch my cameras. So this little button up here in the upper left-hand corner allows me to switch my cameras from one place to another. Okay, so let me do this real quick. I'm just going to move a camera way somewhere. So this is the camera that I just had. So I'm going to move this camera over here. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff going on here. But if I wanted to discuss, how to study sound, I could do that. And as you can see, I have my headset on. So you don't see the camera. You can see me, but you can't see me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the camera here. And I wish I could switch the camera over here. Can I? Let me see if I do this. Let me come out of this. Let me go down here and switch this to the IPVO. Okay. So you can see my side. And now I want to go to share screen, and you have camera here. And so now you can see me at a distance, and you can see me close up. So if I go over here and I start talking about things in this classroom, I could speak about this sound experiment that's right here. We can actually calculate the speed of sound with this simple experiment. We have a function generator over here, and you can see me moving. Oh, but you can see this moving too. So that might be a little disconcerting, so you might want to move slowly. And then we have our O-scope. We have quite a few things in here to engage the student. And that's pretty much it, as far as things that you can do with your camera, and so I'm just going to stop share, and you can see that I recorded everything. And as a also, you don't necessarily have to be in the class. It's because you can make videos to assist students when they're at home, and that's another powerful thing that you can do with Zoom. And it takes up just a small amount of space. It's just excellent. So in the next video, inviting people, I rarely do it. Managing participants is something that I do. And so I will do that next.